Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in logarithms, sometimes you might find questions in which they want you to find the value of the logarithm. After given a logarithm, for example, in this case, you are given log 6 base 6. So what you do when you are solving questions like this, you have to create an equation by letting x be equals to log 6 base 6. After letting x be equals to log 6 base 6, it means now, according to the previous video, we were pulling the base here, it pulls and create a base and an exponent. So in this case now, it means we'll be having 6 power x is equals to 6 because already the logarithm is out. Now, here any number like this, any number, it is having power 1 if it is coming like this. So since the bases are the same, as you can see, it means that x is equals to 1 for this case. This will be the answer. However, when we are having a case like this also, we have to let y equals to log 1. The same concept goes, it will be 3 power y is equals to 1. So if that is the case now, according to the laws of logarithm that we are going to look into, any number to the power of 0, it is 1. Any number to the power of 0. 10 to the power 0 is equals to 1. 11 power 0 is equals to 1. Any number to the power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So here what it means there was a value here, either 20, or there was a value here, 3y is equals to 3 power 0. So remember, like I said, any number power 0 is equals to 1. So by the end of the day, it will remain 3y is equals to 1 because any number power 0 is 1. So by the end of the day now, it means 3y is equals to 3 power 0 because any number power 0 is 1. So the value of y is equals to 0. Now I want you guys to solve for this one and show me your answer on the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.